I'm Elizabeth Wood.
I'm Dan Powers. And together we're hosting the Quodoushka here in Colorado. And we're very excited to be able to do that. It's been several years since we've actually had a Quodoushka that's been offered here in Colorado. So we wanted to try to give a little bit of information on what's available, what's coming up.
This is actually going to be a Quodoushka level 1, otherwise known as a Q1. There are a series of 4.
This is a 4-day event. So it starts Thursday afternoon, for all day Friday, all day Saturday, and till 5 or 6 on Sunday. And they're full days. They're not just 8 to 5. This is a full day that these teachers are giving to you.
I'm formerly trained as a sex therapist. I've read the textbooks, I've done all the academic learning. And quite honestly, what I learned and what I was taught by the teachers blew me away. I filled all of the sides, all of the margins of my workbook. I had to take notes on blank paper that I grabbed from somebody's, when they pull it out of that binder. I went crazy. So I learned more about myself and who I am as a sexual being in than I ever had in all of my academic studies and, including my master's. That I think was the game changer for me, is learning so much about myself. Expect to learn more about yourself than you ever thought possible. It is a deep immersion into who you are in this particular body, in this particular time. Doesn't matter what stage of life you're in, it doesn't matter what your past was. It's about you moving forward with and really thriving as a sexual being, moving forward.
There's just so much material that is presented to you, which is super amazing and is able to be used in your life moving forward, whether you're in a relationship or not. I know I reference it during my private work that I do, my coaching work that I do. And it's been very, very valuable for me in that respect. So I would even recommend coaches come and attend these as well.
I put out the post that early bird was ending. I put it out on my Facebook page, and the number of people after I wrote game changer, we have all types of people who have reiterated that same statement for themselves. It is a game changer. You will look at sexuality. You will look at the sacredness of sex very differently from your Quodoushka for moving forward. It's just a wonderful, fun, playful, intense, and really potent experience. I hope you'll join us.